In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Typeform responses to Excel. If you've collected answers with Typeform and need a clean spreadsheet to analyze results or share with your team, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish in just a few clicks. We'll keep things simple and make sure you know exactly what to expect at each step. Begin on your PC by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type typeform.com and press enter. When the site loads, log into your Typeform account using your usual sign-in method. After you're in, you'll arrive at your workspace where you can see your forms. Locate the specific form whose responses you want to export and click it to open its dashboard. This takes you into the form's overview where you can manage content and review data. Next, move to the results area. You'll find the results option in the top navigation of the form's dashboard. Click results and then choose responses. Responses displays each individual submission, so you can quickly confirm you're exporting the correct set of data. This page is helpful for a quick scan of recent entries before you download everything. Now look for the export option on the responses page. Click Export to open the export settings. When prompted to choose a file format, select Excel, XLSX. This format is ideal for use in Microsoft Excel and compatible tools like Google Sheets and many data platforms. Once you've chosen Excel, click Export to start generating the file. Depending on the size of your dataset, Typeform may take a moment to prepare the download. Keep the tab open until the file is ready. Your browser will either save the file automatically to your default downloads folder or ask where you'd like to store it. If prompted, choose a folder you'll remember so you can find it easily later. When the download finishes, open the Excel file. Inside, you'll see all your form questions listed as column headers. Each row represents a single response. Multiple choice questions will appear with the selected option, and text-based questions will show the exact text respondents entered. This standardized layout makes it straightforward to sort, filter, chart, or combine the data with other sources. If your form includes metadata like submission time or respondent ID, those will appear as additional columns so you can track when and how entries were submitted. That's it, you've successfully exported your Typeform responses to an Excel file, ready for analysis, reporting, and sharing. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.